Guys! Ayan, this is Jheng Gabriel, your global bebe. Tanggalin natin to. Ayan. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang aking, yung tinatawag nilang bag raid ba. So, I just wanna show you kung ano yung dala-dala ko sa work pag ako'y, sa bag ko, pag ako'y nasa work, ha. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, ito, yung kahapon pa na ginamit ko. So, it's my day off today. Yan yung bag. So, ang tatak po niya is Karl Lagerfeld. I love this bag. So, una, meron akong wireless charger. Yan, dala-dala ko po lagi yan kasi ginagamit ko sa sa office. And then, we have loads of paperworks here. Ito yung mga kaikikan ko. Punit-punit na. Ayan, yung mga travel tickets ko ba na dapat uuwi ako sana ng Pilipinas nasa bag ko. Ayan. And then, I have my glasses. Yes. I'm wearing glasses na po. It's for driving. O, diba? Teacher na teacher ang dating. Ayan. So, yan. Glasses ko. And of course, sanitizer. May pabango ako. Ano pa ba laman nito? Papakita ko talaga lahat. And then I have my makeup bag. Makeup bag, pero tingnan yung pabango ko. Pero tingnan natin kung ano daw ang nandito. So this is my work lipstick. Yan yung nakikita nyo every time nag-LS ako. Ito yung ginagamit ko. And it's from Avon. And then, I have my breath freshener. Kailangan may ganyan. And then, I have, of course, my ponytail. And then, of course, my brush. Makeup ba? Pag ikaw ay, mag-retouch. This is from Body Shop. Gusto ko siya kasi retractable siya. So, di ba, very neat. Body Shop UK. And I have a nicotine patch. Yan. And I have a charger of this. What is this? E-cigarette siya. So, may charger po ako nito. Dala-dala ko po siya lagi. Kung sakaling ako'y, ako'y mag-crave ganun music. And of course, I have my e-cigarette liquid here, in there. And last but not the least, in my makeup bag is my panty liners. Ayan. So, yan na po. Wala na pong laman. Yan. This is from DKNY. And marami pa pong laman. So, we have vitamin C. We have my gamot, carbimazole. And we have my other gamot, propanolol. Yan. Sa aking work bag, dala-dala ko po lagi yan. And then we have vitamin D. There you go. And we have my lanyard. Actually, yung ID ko nandyan, pero inilipat ko lang dun sa bag ko na isa. And then I have another USB charger. And then another retractable USB charger. Diba? Ang dami. Tatlo. And then I have my hand cream. And then I have a pencil case. So, meron po akong pencil case. And there's 2 pens there. See? This is from Paper Chase. Yan, diba ang ganda? So, meron po akong pens. Yan, from Salts Healthcare. And from Medilink. Lahat po ng pen ko is from Pharmacist. Yan, puro libre lang po. Tapos, meron po akong coin purse na ang laman po ay resibo. At saka penny pennies. Ayan, penny pennies. And then, I have my blush on. Yan po, Chanel. At ang kulay po niya ay, yan, Chanel. Tingnan niyo po. Yan po yung nandyan sa, ano ko ngayon, yung suot-suot ko ngayon. Hindi niyo siya makita. Maganda siya. Ganyan mo lang. Ang tawag nito, press powder. Paubos na. It's from Lancome. Pasensya na po ang ingay, Lancome. And then, siyempre, ponytail ulit. And then, I have my Beetle wipes. 2-in-1. And of course, I have my mask. And there's more. There's a few more. Ayan. So, may highlighter po. Diba? Pag nag-opisina kayo, highlighter. This should be in here. Lagay natin dyan. And another coupons. And, hindi na alis sa bag. Ito po yung card ng bag. And of course, yung aking charger. So, ayan po ang laman ng aking work bag. And it's Karl Lagerfeld. At mura lang po siya. Hindi po siya mamahalin. Yan. So, yan po ang nakalagay sa aking, ang laman ng aking work bag. Everyday po yan. Hindi po yan naaalisan. And, so yan po, yan yung aking work bag. It's my work bag. Let's see kung ano naman yung nasa aking day off bag. Kasi ako po ay, nagpapalit ng bags. Lahat naman yata ng babae nagpapalit ng bags kada labas. So, ang paborito ko pong bag pag lumalabas ako is yung aking LV Klani. Yan, maliit lang kasi siya. Yan. Liit lang, diba? Tas ang ganda. So, yan. Ito po yung panlabas ko, pang day off bag. Makikita nyo naman sa pictures ko. So, let's see what's inside my day off bag or annual leave bags. So, sa bulsa muna. So, I have ang ATM card ng aking, AFAM. Ang earphones. Isang ballpen. Yan po yung nagkukunan ko. At isang perdible. Perdible, ganda. Ayan. And I have a voucher here for Mark & Spencer. I love Mark & Spencer. And I have my badge here. Oh, and another earphones. And then a small notebook. And then my gamot ulit. This is carbimazole. And that's my vitamin C. And that's my vitamin D. And that's my propanolol. Basta ganun-ganun ang puso ko. Ayan. And then, sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. And then we have hand cream from Mark & Spencer. And then we have a Dolce & Gabbana spray. Light blue po. And wala ng laman. And then I have my day of lipstick. Ito po yung day of lipstick ko. Meron po talaga akong work lipstick and day of lipstick. So, yung nakikita nyo ngayon is this one. Maybelline. And ito po yung aking cards. Hindi po ako nag-wallet. Although marami akong wallet, but I don't use wallet. Ayan. Card holder lang po siya. Nandyan lahat ang card ko. Sama kaya natin yung card niya dun. Ba't nakahiwalay? Ayan. Ayan. And then I have, of course, my mask. Diba? Mask ko. Lalabas ba? So, yung cellphone ko po, inilipat-lipat ko na lang. Pero itong mga laman, hindi ko siya nililipat. Yan po ang laman ng aking day off bag. So that's it for now, guys. So nakita nyo na, nasilip nyo na ang aking work bag and day off bag. So itong dalawang pong to na bags, these two bags that I showed you are my favorite at the moment. So this one is my all-time favorite. Ayan, this is called Clany, Louis Vuitton Clany bag. And meron siyang tag actually dyan, pero hindi ko nilalagay kasi I prefer it plain. Mas maganda ng yung lambitin ba. Ayan. So, and this one is my favorite too at the moment na sinusuot. And this is from Karl Lagerfeld. Ayan. You can, I think this is a French product. I don't know. Is Karl Lagerfeld a French product or English? I do not know. So, yeah. They are very nice one. They have nice ranges as well. And plus ito kasi medium siya. Not too big and not too small. Bongga lang siya, okay siya. So, you can just, both of them are whole bags without the strap, or you can have the straps. And so, I hope you enjoyed my work and day of bag raid. And see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye mga Bebe laluvs. Go, bye!